Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there was a beautiful tree known as the kindness tree. This tree stood tall in the middle of the village square, with leaves that shimmered in shades of gold and silver. The villagers believed that the tree had magical powers that rewarded acts of kindness. In this village lived a young boy named Timmy. Timmy was curious and adventurous, always eager to explore and learn new things. One day, while playing near the kindness tree, he noticed a small bird with a broken wing lying on the ground. Timmy gently picked up the bird and decided to take care of it. He made a cozy nest for the bird at home and fed it every day. As days went by, the bird's wing healed, and it was soon able to fly again. Timmy was overjoyed to see the bird fluttering around. The next morning, Timmy woke up to find a golden leaf from the kindness tree on his windowsill. He was surprised and delighted, realizing that the tree had rewarded him for his kindness. Word about Timmy's golden leaf spread quickly through the village. Inspired by his story, the villagers began to perform acts of kindness. They helped each other with chores, shared food with those in need, and took care of the elderly. The kindness tree started to bloom with more golden and silver leaves, each representing an act of kindness performed by someone in the village. One day, a terrible storm hit the village. The winds were strong, and the rain poured down heavily. The villagers were worried about the kindness tree. They worked together to protect it, tying ropes to support its branches and covering its roots with tarps. Their combined efforts saved the tree from being uprooted by the storm. When the storm passed, the kindness tree was still standing tall, more beautiful than ever. To everyone's amazement, it was covered in a radiant glow, with even more golden and silver leaves shimmering in the sunlight. The tree had grown stronger because of the village's kindness and unity. From that day on, the village flourished with love and compassion. The kindness tree continued to inspire everyone to be kind and helpful. Timmy, who had started it all with a simple act of kindness, grew up to be a wise and respected leader in the village. Answer: the moral of the story is, kindness has the power to bring people together and make the world a better place. No act of kindness is ever too small, and it can create a ripple effect that touches many lives.